Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What's up with you? Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. Life doesn't require that we be the best, only that we try our best. Now, we can't be the best at everything, even if we think we are. The real show of character is that no matter what we go through, what we do, is that we do our best. We try whatever it is to the best of our ability. You might end up not doing so well, but you could also end up completely smashing it. The point is, if you always do try your best, then at least you give it your all, with nothing to ever regret.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.